Hey,
Hey,
how you doing?
doing well.
I'm well too. It's been a minute. Just having fun with my bass guitar. By the way, let me ask you something.
Ask
Why
me.
do you look like me?
Really? Which part? Are you
Yeah, I'm
sure?
sure I know how I look like, man. Anyways, let's focus on the lesson ahead. I'm gonna excuse you for a minute, and once
Ah,
we're done, I'm
yeah.
gonna be back for your own lesson. Cool,
Cool,
buddy?
buddy.
Alright.
Cool. My friend just decided to give me the lesson, and I'm grateful. I came as a student. Now, I'm gonna take you through episode 8. Like he told me, episode 8, this is gonna get you dancing. It's gonna get the drama doing something danceable. So let's get right in it. So this lesson is quite simple. We are doing something like this. Sorry, no, we don't do that note. So basically that is what you are repeating over and over again. Okay, then after that, so once you're done with the second phrase, so that is where it starts from. So then immediately after, okay, you slide that part. Okay, and then after, actually it was this note, not this. Then Sorry? Huh? Was it that? Yeah. It was this note. These two notes, yeah. Immediately. So I hope you got that right. I know Sam is gonna be mad at me for these mistakes, but at least I shared something, didn't I? Thank you. Ciao.